Welcome to the top best. The best body measuring tape is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for anyone serious about fitness, tailoring, or even just tracking personal progress, offering unparalleled precision and convenience in a compact design that makes accurate measurements effortless and reliable for all your needs. Number 5. RENPHO Smart Body Measuring Tape. Want to see your body measurement progress over time? This smart tape is perfect for you. It fully integrates with the RENPHO Health app, allowing you to graph your changes effortlessly. Traditional tapes can be hard to read, leading to errors. This device features a large LCD screen and instantly saves measurements to the app. It helps you avoid hassle and ensures accuracy every time. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, building muscle, or an expecting mother, it adapts to your needs. Tracking your body changes has never been easier with this versatile tool. No more needing help to take your measurements. Its innovative EasyLock design lets you quickly and accurately measure your body circumference all by yourself. This smart tape is lightweight and compact. You can easily carry it in your gym bag or luggage. It ensures you can measure and track your body changes wherever your journey takes you. It supports multiple user profiles. This makes it convenient for entire households or families to track their individual progress using the same device. What we like? This smart tape seamlessly integrates with the RENPHO Health app, graphing your progress over time. Its large LCD screen ensures easy, error-free readings, and the EasyLock hook allows for solo measurements. If you're a fitness enthusiast who loves data visualization and solo tracking, this is your perfect companion. What people say. Number 4. REIDEA Body Measuring Tape with Bonus Kit. Achieve accurate body measurements effortlessly. This tool is perfect for tracking progress on any body part, from your arms to your hips. Its smart design ensures precise readings every time. Designed for ultimate simplicity, it features large, clear markings in both inches and centimeters. Its ergonomic build makes measuring and reading your results incredibly easy. This device is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Slip it into your pocket or keep it in a drawer. It's always ready when you need it. More than just a body tape, it's a versatile tool for various tasks. Use it for sewing projects, crafts, or even measuring household items like furniture and toys. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year guarantee on your purchase. Plus, it comes with a fantastic bonus kit, including 2 additional measuring tapes for even more convenience and value. What we like? This tape is incredibly versatile, perfect for any body part, sewing, or crafts. Its ergonomic design with a pin lock and push-button retraction makes measuring effortless and accurate. If you need a multi-purpose tool and appreciate extra value, the bonus kit makes this an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source JSON is empty, therefore no product features or facts can be quoted. Number 3. FITINDEX Smart Body Measuring Tape. Introducing your new essential for precise body tracking. This smart device provides highly accurate measurements, ensuring you always have reliable data for your health journey. Experience seamless data transfer with its advanced Bluetooth technology. It connects effortlessly to your devices, making tracking your progress simpler than ever. Designed for convenience, it features a smart, retractable mechanism. This ensures easy handling and compact storage, always ready when you need it. Gain comprehensive insights into your physique. It allows you to measure up to 12 different body parts, giving you a complete picture of your body composition. Whether for weight loss, fitness, or muscle gain, it's your perfect companion. It helps you monitor changes and stay motivated towards your health and fitness goals. All your measurements automatically sync with its dedicated app. This allows you to visualize trends, set goals, and keep a detailed history of your progress right on your smartphone. What we like? This smart tape offers precise Bluetooth measurements, syncing directly with its app for comprehensive tracking. It monitors up to 12 body parts, providing clear insights into your fitness journey. If you're serious about detailed body transformation tracking and app integration, this one will keep you motivated. What people say. Error: no source reviews were provided to extract points from. Please ensure that source JSON contains review content. Number 2. Mr. Pen Body Measuring Tape, 2-pack. Introducing the Mr. Pen Body Measuring Tape, your essential tool for precise measurements. This convenient 2-pack includes both a soft tape and a retractable tape to cover all your needs. These versatile tapes are perfect for a wide range of tasks. Use them for body measurements, fabric sewing, knitting projects, and various crafts. Each tape measures up to 60 inches or 150 centimeters, with markings as fine as 1 millimeter. You'll find different measurement units on the front and back, catering to all your requirements. The soft tape is designed for ultimate portability. Its small, foldable design allows you to easily carry it in your pocket or store it anywhere, from a purse to your desk. Enjoy accurate, large, and clear markings in both inches and centimeters. This makes them incredibly easy to read for all your body, sewing, waist, and tailoring projects. The retractable tape features a smart push-button mechanism for effortless use. It self-locks when pulled and retracts smoothly with a simple press. What we like? You get 2 essential tapes in one package, a soft tape and a retractable one, offering great value and versatility. Both feature large, clear markings for easy reading and are compact for portability. If you prefer reliable, straightforward tools for various measuring needs without digital complexities, this duo is a practical pick. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source content was empty. Number 1. Arboleaf Digital Bluetooth Body Tape Measure. Introducing the Arboleaf Digital Bluetooth Body Tape Measure. This device offers incredibly precise readings, down to 0.01 inches. Its large LCD display ensures you can always see your measurements clearly. Measuring yourself has never been easier. With its innovative Easy Lock design, you can take accurate body measurements without any assistance. It's far more convenient than traditional sewing tapes. Sync the smart tape with the Arboleaf app to track your progress across 12 key body areas and even custom parts. The app provides clear graphs, keeping you motivated on your fitness journey. Designed to be lightweight and compact, it fits easily into your gym bag or luggage. You can effortlessly carry it with you, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals wherever you are. Whether you're aiming for weight loss or muscle gain, this tool helps you monitor your body's transformation. It's a powerful motivator, ensuring you stay on track with your health objectives. The accompanying app supports an unlimited number of users, making it perfect for families, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts. Everyone can monitor their health goals effortlessly with this smart device. What we like? Featuring a large LCD display, this digital tape provides incredibly precise readings down to 0.01 inches. It uniquely offers body fat measurement and supports unlimited user profiles, making it ideal for families or trainers. If you seek ultimate digital precision, body fat insights, and a device for multiple users, this is a standout option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.